So, just got back from work, and every year, me, Chagan, Kylie, Jimmy, Olivia, Josh, and Jessica do a Secret Santa. And I don't know, it's because I'm not paranoid, if I'm traumatized from a white elephant I did a couple years ago about getting a bad gift. But the person I got, I've known for a while, obviously. However, I always feel I'm bad at gift giving. So I text the significant other, see what's up, see if they had anything they liked. They responded. I think I know what I'm gonna get them. It's just a matter of actually getting it and hoping it arrives in time. That's kind of what I've been thinking about for the past couple days, because we did the drawing on Sunday or Monday, and so now I'm trying to think about the timeline of when it's supposed to get here. But I still have a couple days, so I go to Houston on the 14th. I think we're going to do it the 14th, and the gift exchange will go swell.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want feast, get the animal fries. Put her on a